Hey guys, Phobic Sky here, and today, we are playing some Roblox. If you don't know what Roblox is, it's just a fun game that you can play with your friends or anyone else. So, anyway, we're playing Roblox High School. Roblox High School. So since it's near Halloween, we're playing. We are playing some. Uh, I forget everything I say for some reason. Um, we are playing some Ghost Hunt. So yeah. If if you think ghosts, if you think ghosts is real, I think so. I think we do. But if you think ghosts are real, comment down below. I don't, because ghosts are stupid, you know? Um, how can I not walk? I'm just literally, okay, now I'm running, That's good, okay? Daily login reward, RHS, lottery points, okay. I don't get what this means, but, alright. So, ghost bait, we have ghost bait, so what does ghost bait look like? Ghost bait, guys. Anyway, you will kill the 100th. Comment who you think I am. Yeah. Go, so, train all it takes one try. Ghosties. Okay. Some, I get to some nets. I get to catch, I get to catch the, that's pretty quick. I'm gonna go and find some, I need ghost bait. Ghost bait. They might be out of the, see if there's a ghost behind them anymore. Form. Yeah, I'll get one. I'll get that uniform. Ooh. Ooh. Ghost can technically come there. Wait. Oh, I'll go outside, and ghosts technically like come to. So, hey, dude, how you doing? You doing bad? Good. Oh, crap! That almost pierced. Gosh. Oh man, that was. Oh, it was just Evie. I thought you're outside. But okay, I'm Ghost. Sorry for wearing headphones. I think that was loud in here, and really don't try it. It hurts. So, alright, so when it's nighttime, I'm gonna do it. So, almost nighttime. Why is the sky red? That does not make any sense. I don't know what ghosts in here look like, but I'll put there. Let's see if there. Let's see any ghosts coming. Okay, no ghosts. Nope. Alright, here. Right there. Yep, definitely. A window. Come on. Try and find what. Yes. I'm gonna try my name, my title to see what I change. Open the door. Oh my gosh. Change this title. How do I do it? Oh, the ghost guy. That's awesome. Ha ha ha. I found the ghost. Alright. Faster. See, another ghost. What hello can I do for you? Oh, I really care about you to find the ghost. Like, how many? So I found Leo Spirit inside this place and buy some. Right, guys? See you guys. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.